Hello and welcome in section 4, You Sound Happy, Speech Emotion Detection. And in this video, we'll go through the process of loading a pre-trained convolutional neural network model for voice emotion detection. So let's get started with it. Let's first go to the source directory for this section, and inside models directory, we have our models that we want to load, and actually we will load one of them. And what are those models? So model.json, the main model that used, it's actually converted from the authors of the architecture of our emotion detection network. We will talk about that later on, more in section 6. So this is the model that the authors of this architecture actually provided. This is the converted model. And we also have speech emotions detection model.json, and this is the model that I've trained using the actual code that we will go through in section 6. And you will be able to also use this model, your own model, when you learn how to train it in section 6. So there are two parts into those models. The first one is the JSON file, and the second one is the binary file. And we only have to kind of know the name of a JSON file because the binary part is actually inside the JSON file. So the only thing that we need to know is the path to our JSON file for our model. And let's have a look how it looks like inside the script. Our main starting point here in this project is script.js. Our main have an analyzer. This is a class that we use to load our models and also do the predictions. And we simply use setup analyzer to create a new analyzer, and this is a part of this analyzer is actually loading a model. So let's look at this analyzer code. And here we don't have any surprises. This is already the process that we went through in previous projects. And the key idea behind it is, again, we are using load model, and this is the main function from TensorFlow.js, to load a model from a specific URL. And you have to just keep in mind that we are doing it asynchronously. I believe that this method actually is using fetch to do that. So that's why we have to keep an eye on the way that we use load model, right? So you have to remember about using await before the load model, and also keep in mind that when you're using await, the function that you're using it in, it has to be async function. But that's kind of the context of this task. So basically it all boils down to using load model. And once we've done it, we are ready, and actually we don't have any errors. We are ready to do the prediction using this model.